You've spent months negotiating with a new client. The contract is ready, everyone's excited. Then, just before signing, they send you one short email. Could you provide a certificate of good standing? You stare at the screen thinking, a certificate of what? It sounds like a simple document, but without it, your business loan, expansion, partnership, or even a major contract could come to a complete stop. And the worst part? Many business owners don't even know this document exists until someone asks for it. Hi, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of BusinessAnywhere.io. For more than 20 years, I've helped entrepreneurs start businesses, stay compliant, and avoid the kinds of administrative surprises that can slow down growth. Today, we're talking about one of those important but often overlooked business documents, the Certificate of Good Standing in New Jersey. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, why companies request it, how to get one, and what to do if your business isn't currently in good standing. So let's jump in. First of all, what exactly is a Certificate of Good Standing? Think of it as your business's report card. It's an official document issued by the state of New Jersey confirming that your business has met the state's ongoing legal requirements. In other words, your company exists legally, required filings have generally been kept current, and the business is authorized to operate under New Jersey law. It doesn't judge whether your business is profitable. It doesn't evaluate your customer service, and it definitely doesn't tell anyone whether you're successful. It simply confirms that your business has stayed compliant with the state's administrative requirements. You might be wondering, when would I actually need one? Honestly, probably more often than you expect. Let's say you're opening a business bank account. Some financial institutions may ask for one. Applying for certain business loans, you may be asked for it there too. Planning to register your company in another state as a foreign LLC or corporation? Many states require a recent certificate of good standing as part of that process. Even investors, vendors, insurance companies, or potential business partners sometimes request one before moving forward. Why? Because they want confidence that they're working with a legally compliant business. It's a simple document that builds trust. Here's something many entrepreneurs misunderstand. Just because your LLC or corporation was approved several years ago doesn't automatically mean you're still in good standing today. Good standing is something you maintain, not something you receive once and keep forever. If required reports aren't filed, if state obligations are ignored, or if certain compliance requirements aren't met, your status could change. That's why staying organized throughout the year is so important. Now let's talk about how you can obtain a Certificate of Good Standing in New Jersey. The process is generally handled through the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. If your business is currently in good standing, you can typically request the certificate through the state's official system. The state verifies your business records and issues the certificate if all applicable requirements have been satisfied. The process itself is usually much easier than people expect. In many cases, the difficult part isn't requesting the certificate. It's making sure your business actually qualifies to receive it. And that brings us to another important question. What if your business isn't in good standing? Don't panic. This happens more often than you might think. Sometimes an annual report was overlooked. Maybe a filing deadline was missed. Or perhaps business records simply need to be updated. The good news is that many compliance issues can often be corrected. Once outstanding requirements are addressed, businesses may be able to restore their good standing and then request the certificate. The important thing is identifying the issue early rather than waiting until a lender or client is asking for paperwork. Now here's a tip I always give entrepreneurs. Don't wait until someone requests this certificate before checking your business status. Think of it like checking your passport before booking an international flight. Technically, you could wait until the last minute, but if something needs to be fixed, your travel plans suddenly become much more stressful. The same idea applies here. Review your compliance status regularly so you're prepared whenever an opportunity comes along. Let's clear up another common misunderstanding. A certificate of good standing isn't the same thing as your articles of organization. It's not your EIN, it's not your business license, and it's not your operating agreement. Those are completely different documents. Your articles of organization create your LLC. Your EIN identifies your business for federal tax purposes. Your operating agreement explains how your company is managed internally. A certificate of good standing simply verifies that your business continues to meet New Jersey's ongoing state compliance requirements. Each document serves a different purpose. Let's think about the bigger picture. Entrepreneurs spend countless hours improving products, building websites, hiring employees, finding customers. But sometimes it's the small administrative details that determine whether opportunities move forward quickly or get delayed. A missing compliance document can hold up financing, slow down partnerships, delay expansion into new states, or create unnecessary questions during due diligence. That's why keeping your business compliant isn't just about following rules, it's about staying ready for growth. Here's something I've learned after working with business owners for decades. The companies that grow successfully usually have good systems behind the scenes. They know where their documents are, they meet deadlines, they keep accurate records, and when someone requests paperwork, they don't scramble. They're already prepared. That level of organization creates confidence, not only for the business owner, but also for banks, investors, and customers. So let's quickly recap. A certificate of good standing confirms that your New Jersey business is compliant with applicable state requirements. You may need it when opening bank accounts, applying for financing, registering in another state, working with investors, or entering certain business agreements. If your business isn't currently in good standing, resolving outstanding compliance issues is often the first step before requesting the certificate. Most importantly, don't wait until someone asks for it. Staying organized today can help you move much faster tomorrow. And if you'd like help forming your LLC, maintaining compliance, serving as your registered agent, handling bookkeeping, or keeping your business in good standing year after year, that's exactly what we do every day at Business Anywhere. We help entrepreneurs spend less time worrying about paperwork and more time building businesses that last. You'll find helpful resources and links in the description below. And remember, the biggest business opportunities often don't depend on what you know. They depend on whether you're prepared when opportunity comes knocking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.